So first of all, take your spring onions, and then we're just going to strip the outer leaves back. After we've done that, we're going to quickly wash them. Then we're going to bunch them together. Chop off the roots. Let's see, get rid of that in the bowl. And then we're just going to chop through them. Don't have to chop them this fast. You can chop them whatever size you like. If you want them big, have them big. If you want them nice and small, have them small. Next is our baby corn. So basically, just cut these straight down the middle. The reason we're going to cut these a little bit bigger is we still want them to have some texture, nice and crunchy, and all those vitamins in there. Then take your mushrooms. So here I'm using portobello mushrooms, and all I'm going to do is literally take the skin off. Okay, you don't have to take the skin off if you don't want to. Sometimes they can be a bit bitter. With mushrooms, it's best just to wipe them off if you want to wash them, but you don't have to. Then leaving them quite big, we're just going to slice them through thinly, so we still leave a little bit of texture there. Don't want them too small, but you want them small enough. And we go in with our cabbage. So this one's Savoy cabbage. You use any cabbage you like. Okay, and just cut the root out there, or the core, and then we're going to cut across. Now when you cut a cabbage across, that's called chiffonade. Okay, so you can do the same to lettuce, just like you get under your prawn cocktail. Next is our Pak Choi. Straight in half, take the root out, job done. Straight down the middle. That's all you need to cut it. You want to keep that nice and fresh, so you got all those nutrients in there. And that's it. That's our prep done. That's what we're going to use. We're also going to need a couple of cloves of garlic and some bean sprouts.